Today my presentation is on John Hughes and Hans Kosterlitz, who discovered enkephalin in 1974. John Hughes was a British neuroscientist who received his bachelor's and PhD degrees from King's College London and did postdoctoral studies at Yale Medical School, where he studied the effects of angiotensin on the heart. He became a lecturer in pharmacology at Aberdeen University, where he had a laboratory and also collaborated in research with Kosterlitz. He went on to become a Reader, which is a title in the United Kingdom that denotes an appointment for senior academic with a distinguished international reputation in research or scholarship. Following this, he became director of the Parkes Davis Neuroscience Center at the University of Cambridge, where he is now an Emeritus Fellow of Wolfson College. Hans Kosterlitz received his Doctor of Medicine at Humboldt University of Berlin. During World War II, he emigrated to Scotland, and once he obtained work in the UK, he was able to obtain safe haven for his family. He later joined the staff of the University of Aberdeen as an assistant in the physiology department. In 1968, Aberdeen established a new department of pharmacology, which was headed by Kosterlitz as professor until 1973, when he became director of the university's drug addiction unit. In 1975, when he and Hughes isolated enkephalins, Dr. Kosterlitz was 72 years old and had officially retired from the university as a professor emeritus, but he kept up his research until he was 89. So, a little more information about the molecule itself. Enkephalin is a pentapeptide involved in nociception in the body, which is the sensory nervous system's response to certain harmful or potentially harmful stimuli. They are termed endogenous ligands as they are internally derived and bind to the body's opioid receptors. Other examples of endogenous ligands include dynorphins, endorphins, and endomorphins. The two forms of enkephalin found include methionine enkephalin and leucine enkephalin. Both are products of the proenkephalin gene. The receptors for enkephalin are the delta opioid receptors and the mu opioid receptors. Opioid receptors are a group of G-protein coupled receptors with other opioids as ligands as well. It has been shown that this polypeptide is linked to brain functioning during a stressful response, especially in the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex regions. During a stress response, several methionine enkephalin analogs had increased activity in the hippocampus, while leucine enkephalin and somatostatins were downregulated during the stress response. Thank you.